Hi guys, welcome to another homemade luxe project. This month we are going to be making pour painting acrylics. We're going to be learning the art of pour painting, say that 3 times, using acrylic paints and a pouring medium. This is a really cool project that you can do on canvas. You know, you don't have to use a brush at all. We're just going to pour the paints and make some really cool designs. You'll actually have two canvases in your box, so you can try out 2 different techniques, and we are going to show you how. First, let me tell you about Homemade Luxe. Homemade Luxe is a craft subscription box, which means everything that you need to make these projects are included in our monthly boxes. You can also buy one-time projects if subscriptions are not your thing. So without further ado, let me show you exactly what's in the box and the instructions on how to do pour painting. Let's go. Okay guys, so we've got our Homemade Luxe box here. Let's open it up. You ready to get crafty? Okay, so first of course we have our instruction sheet, and this shows us exactly what we need to do to make our project. And you also have your video instructions here. This month's freebie, we're giving you some goal setting printables so you can get ready for the new year. And of course you have your Craftaholic at Work door tag for all of the new subscribers. Let's take this out. Wow, lots of crinkle paper. Okay, so we've got some cups so that we can do our pouring. We have some push pins that we're going to add to the back of our canvases. You've got gloves so you don't get too messy. You've got a drop cloth, a plastic drop cloth to put down so you don't get your work surface dirty. You've got your pouring medium. You've got your acrylic paints, blue, gold, and white. You've got your craft sticks to stir. And you have your canvases. For your crafty freebie, you have some goal planning printables. Since this is the new year, we thought this would be a good addition for you to plan your goals. And of course, we hope to see crafting on your self-care. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first we're going to take our push pins and we're going to push them into all 4 corners of our canvas. This allows the canvas to sit up higher than your drying surface, so when you do dry it won't stick to your plastic. Then you're going to take 3 cups and you're going to pour half of your canister of paint into each cup. Then you're going to add your pouring medium. So you're going to put half of your blue paint in here, and then you're going to add pouring medium about enough to just cover it. Then you're going to give it a really good stir to really stir it all together, and you want the consistency to be to where you can pour it pretty well. You want to be able to coat your craft stick and pour well. Let's show you with the gold paint. You're going to put half your paint, cover it with pouring medium, and then stir. And here's a close-up so you can see how easily the paint is pouring now with the pouring medium in there. Okay, now this first technique is called the puddle pour technique. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add some puddles around your canvas with your different paints. And I want you to pay attention to this white paint because we wanted to show you what it looks like when you've added too much pouring medium. The white is very runny, which means it's too much. You can add more paint to alleviate that. But just so you know, you want it to be porous but not too watery per se. Okay, so once you've added all your puddles and you're going to just add each color on top of each other, you can use your craft stick to kind of stir it a bit, and then you can just pour it and tilt your canvas until all your surfaces are covered. Be sure to get the sides of your canvas so that it looks good from the side when you hang it on the wall as well. If you notice that you can't make it to the side, you can use your craft stick to spread your paint ever so gently to the edges. You can also do this to the sides as well. There you have it. You've done your first canvas. So now on to technique number 2, which is the flip cup pour. Again, you're going to mix your paints up in 3 separate cups, just like we showed you before, and then you're going to layer them into 1 cup. So just like you did the puddle pour, just pouring them on top of each other, each color on top of each other, you're going to do that within a cup. When you do finish all your pouring, you're going to give this a very small stir. I like to just do the shape of an S. And why you want to do a small stir is if you stir it too much, the paint will become very muddled and your pour won't look right. So be sure to give it 1 small stir like that, like an S, and then you can go ahead and flip your canvas over. You're going to put your canvas on top and flip your cup over. Then you're going to wait a little bit and allow the paint to drip down. Once you feel like your paint has done, you're going to just flip that cup over. And I like to push it forward a little bit while I'm flipping. Next, you're just going to go ahead and tilt your canvas until all your sides are covered, and you will reveal a beautiful, one-of-a-kind, unique painting. And there it is. That's our finished product. So these are your 2 techniques, guys, and they're so simple, yet they have some beautiful results. I hope you enjoyed crafting with us. If you stay tuned to the end, we'll have a bonus technique that you can learn as well. And if you're interested in this kit, you can buy it at homemadelux.com. Okay, let's try this bonus project. Okay guys, for this bonus technique, we're going to do it just like we did the flip cup. We're going to be layering our colors on top of each other into a cup. And once we finish, we're going to give it a small stir, and then we're going to just pour it over our canvas. And what I love about this technique is that you can pour it however you want to. You can pour it like I just did, or you can start in the middle and do a little swirl, and you get a lot of different variations in color. Just play around with it and see what you come up with. And that's the finished project. So I hope you enjoyed pour painting with us, and use your imagination and do as much fun stuff as you can. We'll see you guys next time.